Ubuntu is one of free-to-use and feature-rich operating systems on the planet. But if you are accustomed to using Microsoft Windows and new to Ubuntu, then installing software in Ubuntu is not as easy as it's easy to install programs in Microsoft Windows. Installing Adobe Flash Player is an example to prove this. If you prefer to use Google Chrome, then watching online videos and other stuff is no issue. But if you are Firefox junky, then without installing Adobe Flash Player, it's nearly impossible to watch online videos etc. And you'll have to go through a complex process to install Adobe Flash Player in Mozilla Firefox on Ubuntu. But it takes a few minutes. Taking this into consideration, I've created a video tutorial explaining how to install Adobe Flash Player on Ubuntu. I would like to make it clear before proceeding furthermore, that you cannot install Adobe Flash Player if you don't know your Ubuntu administrative password, so make sure you have or remember the password. First of all, you'll have to download Adobe Flash Player installer or installation files to install it in Mozilla Firefox. You can find a download link in video description. On the download page, select Linux 32 or 64-bit from drop-down menu. Since I'm using a 64-bit PC, this is why I'm choosing 64-bit. Afterwards, you need to select a version. Select Flash Player for other linux.tar.gz. Extract setup file after downloading Adobe Flash Player installation files. Let's move to the next step. Here you need to open Terminal. To open Terminal, open the dash by clicking the Ubuntu icon in the upper left. Type Terminal, and select the terminal application from the results that appear. Right inside the terminal, sudo Nautilus and hit Enter. Now enter your password and press Enter. It will open Home folder with administrative privileges. Now open Computer from the sidebar and then a folder named User. Now you need to locate the lib folder. Inside lib folder, locate and open the Mozilla folder. Now copy Flash Player lib.so from Adobe Flash Player setup folder that we have extracted earlier. Paste Flash Player lib.so in the plugins folder. Close Terminal and other open folders, and do not forget to restart Mozilla Firefox. Congratulations, we have successfully installed Adobe Flash Player. If you still cannot watch videos, then all you need to do is go to add-ons and check whether it's activated or not. To activate it if it's deactivated. I do hope you found today's video tutorial on how to install Adobe Flash Player on Ubuntu helping to solve this problem. If you have any problem or I could not explain anything properly, do let me know using the comment section. I'll try my level best to solve your problems. I need your precious comments and suggestions as it helps me.